Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mavis and you're watching Mavis Creations GH. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this cube shape or box shape key holder, and so I will show you two ways to do that. In the course of the video, I'm going to give you 2 tips to grow your key holder business, and so don't skip any part of this video because you wouldn't know whether you are skipping the business tips part. And I'm going to do this in my upcoming videos. I'm going to share with you each and every business tips to grow your beads making business, because I have been in the business for 5 years now. Yes,
5 years.
Okay, so now let's go into the tutorial, and then in the middle part I will come in and then tell you the 2 tips to grow your key holder business. So you'll be needing your scissors for cutting, your fishing line, and I'll be using 0.7 mm, and of course your beads. So I'll go ahead and then cut my fishing line, and now let's begin. So I'll start by picking 4 beads, cross the 4th one. Okay, so we have this. Pick another 3, 1 on the left fishing line, 1 on the right fishing line, and then I'll cross the 3rd one. I know you guys are familiar with this step, so I will just continue. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. So I need 6, so I'll be turning with the 6th one. So turning, I'll put 2 of the beads on the left or the right fishing line, any of them. Then you cross the 3rd one. And then now we are starting with the next line. We need just 2 lines, okay? So starting with the next line. So I'll pick 3, put 2 on my left fishing line, and then I'll cross the 3rd one. And then enter this bead here. And then pick 2, 1 on the left, and then you cross the 2nd bead. So it's left with the last one. Enter the next bead. Right here I'm tying the fishing line off, so I'll put both beads on one side of the fishing line and I will tie. There are 2 ways to make this cube key holder or dice key holder or box key holder, any how you want to call it. Okay, so I have this one here, so I will show you both ways to do that. But this one I have 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but this one is 6, so I will show you how to do it both ways. So let's continue with this one. So after tying, you enter few beats and then you cut. So I'm going to cut a new fishing line. And then I'll fold it. This is 6, so 2 2 2. I'll count 2 and fold, count 2 and fold. And then I'll cover this part, so I'll start from here. So I'll enter these 2 beads, these ones. Okay, great. Then pick 2 beads. I fixed one on the left fishing line and I crossed the second one. Next, I'll enter these 2 beads here with my right fishing line. And then I'll pick just one. With my left fishing line, I will enter the next bead, this one. Pick 2 beads, one on the left, and then I'll cross the second one. So it's just repeating same steps. So watch carefully from this part. Okay, so this time around I'm just left with one and I'm done. So next I will use my right fishing line to enter this bead, and then the other fishing line, because I have turned it around, so this one, the one in my right hand, to enter these 2 beads. The reason why I'm doing this is that even though we are done, each part is closed, but you can see that where we just crossed the last one, the fishing line is not connected to the other one, so it is open like this. So that is why I'm doing that. So I'll enter these 2 beads to meet this fishing line so that I can tie. Okay, so here if you want to add your key holder or your keychain, then you fix it on one side of the fishing line and then you just tie it. After that, you enter the rest, you enter the beads with the rest of your fishing line and you are good to go. Now the first way is to post them on your social media handles, Facebook, Instagram, and then your WhatsApp, as well as LinkedIn or Snapchat. Okay, so these platforms are very good for you to advertise your product, and not even the key holders alone, other products that you are into. You have to keep on posting them. If you are not going to make it posting them every day, you can do it 3 times a week or 4 times a week, because there are different people who come or who visit their Facebook or Instagram page each and every day. So you have to keep on posting on your social media handles, your timeline, as well as your stories. Now the second way is introducing your business to event planners. If you introduce your key holder business to them, they're also going to tell their clients that they have this person who does very nice key holders, and so the person can share it at her wedding or party as souvenirs. And so doing that, you have to attach your business card, or you can print your name and then your number on the metal block that we've been using for the bracelet. So then attach it to it, so that when the client share it at his or her wedding or party, the people who get to receive them will also get to know you and call you each and every time that they need your product. And like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to be telling you tips in my upcoming videos, business tips. So kindly subscribe to the channel, and please click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Now let's continue with the tutorial. So this one is 2x7. Okay, so here I'm going to join it. Okay, so with my left fishing line, I'll pick one bead, and with the same fishing line, that's my left fishing line, I will enter the first bead on this side. So this is the red one. Pick another bead and cross it. Enter the next bead on your right with your right fishing line, the next bead on your left with your left fishing line. Pick one bead and then you cross. So now you can see that we are left with just this side and this side. I will close this side with you, and then I will do this side of camera. So with my left fishing line, I'm entering this orange bead here, and then I'll pick 2 beads. And then with my right fishing line, I'll enter these 2 beads, the pink and the mauve here. Great. Please, if there is anything you don't understand, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. I will respond right away. So here I'll enter the yellow bead, and then with my left fishing line, enter the red and the light blue here to meet the other fishing line, and then you can tie it or fix your keychain here, and then you go ahead and close the other side. Okay, so I'm done closing the other side as well. So I'll just go ahead and fix my keychain. So we just put it on any side of the fishing line, and then you tie 2 or 3 knots. Make sure it's very secure. It won't come off anytime soon. And here we are successfully done with our box or cube or dice, because it is just the same shape as the Ludo dice.